afternoon, students. Good afternoon, students. Okay. Student, I am asking you some questions. Give me answer, okay? You know counting?
Yes, teacher.
You know 1 to 100 number? 1 to 100 number.
Yes, teacher. 1 to 100.
Now I am showing you one object. Okay. So on that object there is some numbers. So you recognize and give me answer. Okay. Can you tell me which number is this?
1.
This number only. 2-digit number.
93.
Okay. Good. So students, you know numbers. Okay. So I am showing you some pictures. You just observe and tell me. Okay. Can you tell me what you see in this picture?
Fish.
Fish. How many fish
Fish.
in the?
6 fish.
5. Huh? 5 fish.
5
Okay, very
fish.
good. 5 fish. Yes. Can you tell me what is this? Flower pot? How many
Plants.
flower in the flower pot?
Flower in the pot.
How
1,
many?
2, 3, 4, 5.
4.
4 flowers.
Yes, 4 flowers. Yes, good. What is this?
1 tree.
1 tree. Very good. Now, last picture.
1 cube.
1 cube. Very good. So, student, you know a number and you know how to count the things. Yes. So, today we revise our topic, English topic, which name is one and many. So, can you tell me now? I am showing you things. Okay. What is this?
Pencil. 1 stick. Pencil.
But how much? How many pencils?
1 pencil.
1 pencil. Okay. Can you tell me what is this?
Sketch pen.
Sketch pen. But how much? How many?
1.
1. Yes. What is this?
Straw.
Straw. But how many straw? Number.
Many straws.
See properly.
1 straw.
1 straw. Yes. And last one is, see this.
1 money.
1 note. 10 rupees note, 1 note. So student, what is mean by 1? Can you tell me? You know what is mean by 1?
1.
That's our topic. What is spelling of 1?
Anyone.
Anyone. And when we talk about one thing or one object, that time we use 1. Yes. Now, our next is many. Many means what? When we talk about one or more objects. So, okay. So, first we see this 1 pencil. Yes.
1
Now,
pencil.
So,
Many 3 pencil.
many means 3, more than 1. Yes. Now, what is this?
1 but many sticks.
Yes, I think but 1. But now, how much? Many means more than 1. Now see.
1 note, many note.
Now,
Note, many note.
many notes. Many means more than One. Okay. Can you tell me what is the
One ball.
one ball?
One
Now,
ball.
two ball means which
Two
word
balls.
will be your many?
Two
Yes,
balls. Ball.
two balls means many. Okay. Now, this is
One is sketch pen. Many sketch pens.
one. Yes, and now
Many sketch pens. Many
many
pens.
means one, two, three, four, five means more than one means
Five.
one, two, three, four, five. Five sketch pen. Okay, very good. So, student, we see one means only one object and many means more than one object. Yes. So, I am showing you one PPT. You just observe and give me the answer. Okay. Standard first subject English and our topic is one and many revision. Yes. Today we revise our topic one and many. So, one means when we talk about one thing or object. See, student, there is only one star. Yes, yes, one star. One means only one thing or object. Okay, now we see many concept. When we talk about more than one thing or object, means how many stars are there in the picture? How many
Many
stars?
stars.
Many stars. Three stars are there. So we use many.
One, two,
Many
three.
stars. One, two, three. Yes, very good. Now see, one means there is a one book. Yes, one means one book, and many means
Many
so
books.
so many books, more than one. So students, in English grammar, we use singular for one object. When we talk about one object, we use singular, and when we talk about many, plural. Singular means single object and plural means many objects.
Object.
Yes, singular plurals. Okay. Changing from one to many, we are going to add s to the end of the word. So student, when we talk about anyone, in this picture, there is a one balloon, and
One balloon. Many
uh,
balloons.
when we change one to many, we add s last at last. Yes. So what we use here s means balloons. One balloon, many
One balloon.
balloons.
Many balloons.
Balloons. Okay, next.
One balloon. Many balloons.
Yes. Now what is in the picture?
Violin. One guitar. Many guitars. Many guitars.
Yes. One guitar, many guitars.
Many
Yes.
guitars.
We add s in many. Next.
Five guitars. One rose. Many roses. Many roses. Many roses.
One rose, many roses. Okay.
Many roses,
Now,
ma'am. One mango.
mango,
One mango. Many mangoes.
we add s in many. Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now we take
One
example
pencil.
of
Many
pencil.
pencils.
One pencil, many pencils. S लगाया है
One
इसमें.
pencil. Many pencils.
Okay. Now this is our topic one and many. So now turn is yours.
One egg. Many eggs.
Yes, one egg. In this picture only showing one thing. Yes, egg. Now what is next? What do we use in
One
many?
egg. Many eggs. Many eggs.
Yes, one egg, many eggs. One cat.
One cat. Many cats. One cat. Many cats.
Yes, very good students. One cat, many cats. We add s in many. One
One
toy.
teddy. One toy, many toys.
Yes, very good. One toy, many toys. Yes, tell
One
me.
tree, many trees.
One tree, many trees. Very good.
One dog, many dogs. One dog, many dogs.
What do we use here? This is one or many.
Many books. Many books.
This is book or notebook.
Many notebooks. Many
Yes,
notebooks.
many notebooks. Yes, good. Okay, now cups. See this one cup or many cups?
One. Many glass. Many cups. Many
Many
cups.
cups.
Many cups.
Yes, good. So today we revise our topic. So what is spelling of one?
Only one.
One means,
Only one.
one means only one object or thing. Yes. And many means what?
Many.
Yes, many means more than one object or thing. Yes. So today we finish our topic here. Okay, students?
Yes, teacher.
You understood?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.